less than phenomenal, mediocre, average. You know what I mean?
Right.
So it's
Right.
like that would be my message, is to really get the word out, to show people like, do the thing that you know you need to do instead of the thing that you want to do.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's the thing that's really gonna help you get closer to your purpose, closer to your dreams. It's not. It can involve your passion. It can involve things that you like, but a lot of times it's things that you don't like, and more times than not, it's things that will cause failure. It's things that will cause you to not feel good about going through that situation. But it's the journey that really makes it worthwhile. When you get to that end point, when you get to that ultimate goal of creating this big dream that God has given you in your life, then that's when you'll understand and look back and be like, okay, I'm so glad I did that. And if I had a chance, I'd do it again. And that's what people don't understand. That's what people don't like are afraid to actually step into. Like they're afraid to step into that unfamiliarity.
Why is that?
Because of fear. Fear of see, a lot of people say people are afraid of failing. No, because people fail all the time. People are afraid of success. Success is a mega ton of pressure and responsibility that not everybody is ready for. And it was like we were talking about in the building. When people have the type of success that these multimillionaires and billionaires have, it comes with a certain responsibility, and it comes with a certain character, and it comes with a certain discipline that everybody aren't willing to work through. Like, you're more comfortable being who you are and accepting yourself for who you are than actually being the person that God has really called you to be 2 to 5 years from now.
Yeah.
But so many people are like, nah, I'm good. I don't need to change. I don't need to do this. I don't need to that. Well, yeah, you stay like that and you're never going to get to the promise that God has really called you to. That's as simple as that. Because if you're not continuously progressing, if you're not continuously creating something better, like you're going to be, if you're stagnant, you're going backwards. Simple as that. Too many people want to stay the same, and not enough people are adaptable enough to accept change and to realize that it's a positive thing. Like, it's something that really helps everyone else. You're not just changing for you. You're changing for the next generation that's coming before you. You know what I mean? Like, people aren't willing to think that deep to understand that their impact in their small world can help a greater, larger picture around them. You know what I'm saying? So that's the message that I would give.
What's your name, man?
I'm Austin, man. Austin Ford from Chi-Town, Chicago. I'm up in Austin, Texas right now. Been here for about 9 years, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, I'm doing my entrepreneurial thing, stepping out there on faith. But not blind faith, you know what I mean? My trust and my love for God, and my trust and my love for people who've been there and who are supporting me and putting me in a position where I can be successful. That's what I'm fighting for. That's what I'm fighting for. Opportunity to create a platform so that my children's children is going to stand on the legacy that I leave behind, right? Instead of trying to create something that I've been trying to create, and that my parents have been trying to create, and that their parents and their parents and their parents and our past generation have been trying to create for the past whatever 100 years or hundreds of years or whatever like that. So I'm letting my family and my people around me, letting them know that the buck stops with me, and that as far as I go is as far as my next generation is gonna go. You know what I'm saying? As far as like where they start. You know what I mean? Like, I want their starting point to be my end point. Not the other way around, not them still struggling, not them still trying to figure this out. I'm trying to give people the keys and understand that, hey man, we can run, we can go, we can make it, we can actually see the promises and see the abundance and the life that God has really called us to. Too many people out here sad and miserable, man. I walk around here, you smile at somebody and they like, dang, you don't know how to smile anymore. You know what I'm saying? Like, dang, like, what's going on? This life got you so wrapped up in a snare that your dreams are just not even fathomable anymore. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I can't remember who said it, but they said, man, people die at the age of 25, but they get buried at the age of 85. That's because they lost their dream.